Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about starting a new document in Photoshop. So this will be one of the very first steps that you do when you're starting an assignment or a project. So there are two different ways that you can actually start a document in Photoshop. You can either open a file and start from there or create a new blank document. Sometimes you do want to start by opening an existing photo rather than creating a new blank image. So the first method that we're going to go over is opening a file. So first we're going to do is we're going to come up to the menu bar, go to File, Open, and then we're going to get a dialog box where we can locate and select our file on your computer and then click Open. So I'm going to find a file and click Open. So then the file appears in Photoshop. So now we have loaded an image into Photoshop. So the next method that we're going to do is creating a new blank document. When you're creating a new blank document, it's kind of like prepping a canvas for paint. So there's a whole bunch of different options that you have when you're creating a new document, but thankfully there are presets built in so we don't have to guess when getting started. So to create a new document, we're going to go back up to the menu bar and press File, New. Now we have a dialog box called New Document. You'll see it does look really kind of busy, but it's actually pretty simple. So we have the tabs across the top that have all these different presets for photo, print, art and illustration, web, mobile, film and video. So I'm actually going to just go with print and stick with the standard letter size piece of paper. So it actually will fill in over here along the right side the preset details. So it's 8.5 inches wide by 11 inches high. You can set the orientation from portrait to landscape. You can set the resolution, the color mode, and a whole bunch of other stuff that we will get into later in the semester. So once you've put in your details, so you can actually enter in details if you want to drop down here and set to pixels. But I'm going to leave it on the preset inches for letter. And so you can actually enter in your own numbers here. And but usually if you want to use a preset, just keep the presets what they are because they are predetermined for certain sizes. So if we're doing a print document on a letter size, these are the ideal presets. So then we will click Create. And then it'll have a brand new blank canvas new document for you to work on. And those are the two methods on how to start a document in Photoshop.